Welcome. Can you provide answer to this question under WASSCE 2024 May-June edition for Nigeria? This is on circle theorem. We have done series of tutorials on circle theorem. So in the diagram, we see JKL is a tangent to the circle GHIK at the point of tangency K. So the angle LKG is 38 and the angle HIK is 87. We have to calculate the value of the angle marked what? X. There are various properties we can use to find the answer, but I'll use few of them to arrive at the answer. So looking at the quadrilateral IHGK, we know that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to what? 180. So this very angle plus this will be giving me 180. So I'll begin with that. The angle HGK plus the angle 87 should give us 180 degrees, which are, so the property that make that angle HGK plus 87 to be equal to 180 is the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So fast forward, the angle HGK will be equals to 180 degrees minus the 87 degree. And if we do that, 80 is gone, picking 7, we have 93. So 93 degrees. So it means this very angle will be 93. Now, if you look at the 93, it is also an exterior angle to the triangle GKL. And the property from plane geometry 1 that says that exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. So I can say that the 93 degree, as I found, is equals to 38 degree plus what? X. And what property is that? So we can say the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of two opposite interior angle. So here I will make X the subject, subtracting 38 from both sides, making 93 degree minus what? 38 degree. So X will be giving us what? 55 degrees. So therefore, the value of X in this corner is going to be our 55 degree. You can try other avenues to arrive at the same answer and share that with us in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.